Good morning, everybody, and a very warm welcome to
Morning, sir.
you to another episode of Empowering Morning Conversation. Today we are on session number, tell, who's going to say? Session number
70.
70. Yay! Another 30 to go before we become 100. So we should find reasons to celebrate all the time. All right, so what are you guys celebrating? Let's hear some of your reasons for celebrating. And I think we'll wait for another 5 minutes, Kuldeep ji, so let more people join and they can take advantage of your shairi, not shahari, like my friend says. All right. So how have you been celebrating your life? Yesterday and early in the morning today or whatever. Let's have Sandeep start.
So my celebrations truly it is seeing Hasina ji, Chaturvedi ji, to see you in the morning. That is a wonderful beginning actually. So because that really propels the day in the right direction, and every day in the right direction means a beautiful future. Uh,
Hmm.
Amazing, amazing. I no words.
Excellent. I think we got Snehal on the line, and let's join together and congratulate her. Snehal ji, congratulations. I believe you published a new book. So she's celebrating that. Neeti, what are you celebrating this morning?
So I
Hasina ji
think
wants to speak.
Okay. I
Go
I
ahead.
se- I second Sandeep ji because I also get up with the first thought that I have to join the empowering morning conversation, and
Oh boy.
every morning I look forward to it.
Yeah, that makes me feel wonderful and makes me feel like I should never miss being here in the morning.
I feel the
That's
same.
the biggest compliment I can ever get, you guys. Thank you very much. All right, who else? Now, everybody doesn't have to say ditto, ditto, ditto. Huh? Reddy Garu, good morning.
सर
Good morning, sir.
Morning. वहाँ बोलो सुरेश.
हाँ ये कभी कभी देर हो जाती है सर जानबूझ के नहीं करते
ये
यहाँ
देर कहाँ से आ गए?
I mean yesterday I was a bit late. I mean maybe 5 minutes a kind of thing.
तो क्या हो गया?
देर करने का इरादा नहीं है लेकिन अपना आप देर हो जाता है कभी कभी अदरवाइज इट्स अ सेलिब्रेशन.
अच्छा देर हो जाएगा तो सेलिब्रेशन नहीं होगा? क्यों नहीं हो सकता है?
नहीं जल्द कभी कभी हो जाता है
कोई आदमी 40 साल की उम्र में शादी करता है तो वो सेलिब्रेट नहीं कर सकता है?
वो करेगा
वो
अलग.
सेलिब्रेट से सेलिब्रेट हो जाता है 40 साल की उम्र में.
नहीं ये काम थोड़ा इधर उधर देर हो जाता है देर से. So today I mean I had 8 hours complete sleep.
Boops, how lucky you are. Congratulations. So that you are celebrating. Okay, who else? Niti was getting ready. Then she withdrew.
Good morning, sir. Good morning,
Good
everyone.
morning. Morning.
Yes, yesterday, when we were about to close, and all people started talking, and then you said, "Well, I have to close it before. Then only we will talk." There's something they say the lamp, the lamp, which is before it does off, it brightens it and then it does off.
Yeah, the flame becomes brighter because before it goes off.
Goes off. So
Now your voice has become so recognizable, Raghu.
Yeah.
We don't have to see you to know who's speaking. We
Thank you,
always
sir.
know it is Raghu. Thank you very much.
Thank you, sir.
All right, Kuldeep ji, I think it's time for your share. दहाड़ता हुआ शेर.
Sir, yesterday or day before yesterday, you mentioned that one of the things we should do, we should ask the right questions.
Yep.
So this,
I didn't say we should ask the right question. I said if you ask the right question, you can get anything done in the world.
वेरी ट्रू, वेरी ट्रू। तो ऐसा ही एक क्वेश्चन जो है वो शायर जिंदगी से पूछता है। तो शायर पूछता है कि न तेरी अदा समझ में आती है न आदत है जिंदगी।
One more time.
न
Beautiful
तेरी
line.
अदा समझ में आती है न आदत है जिंदगी। क्यों? क्योंकि तू हर रोज नई सी और मैं हर रोज वही उलझा सा।
It's so beautiful. Will you translate it for the
Yes,
people who
yes.
don't know Hindi?
Shair is saying, addressing to life, that I don't understand neither your style nor your habit, because you are every day new, every day fresh. I am every day confused and struggling. Why this? This is the question.
That's a good question. Why? Why?
कि मैं क्यों उलझा हुआ?
All right. Thank you so much. Who's next? किशोर जी, कुछ अर्ज करना चाहेंगे आप कैसे सेलिब्रेट कर रहे हो?
रूटीन है सर, वो तो इसमें कुछ अब आज स्पेशल नहीं है, वही ऑफिस है, 9 to 6 ऑफिस है, तो
इसको बोलते हैं डिफॉल्ट लाइफ। अरे 9 to 6 में भी सेलिब्रेट कर सकते हैं भाई मेरे। गुड मॉर्निंग गुनैन। एनीवे, थैंक यू किशोर। Yes, Neeti, finally you. Or Kunan can also start.
Good morning, sir.
Ladies first is better, actually.
I think I am very happy keeping up with all my reading habits, and I can feel my energy slowing down to a pace that I am comfortable with my mind. So that is a big enough celebration for me.
आपको बहुत सुकून महसूस हो रहा है।
सुकून भी महसूस हो रहा है, and I'm being able to keep up with my readings. It's been, I think, close to a month now. Every day I've been able to keep up with my reading, and that I think is a big achievement for me.
Wow, congratulations.
Thank
you for sharing that. Yes, Kunan sir.
जी सर, गुड मॉर्निंग। सॉरी आई वाज बिट लेट सर। क्या हुक्म है?
How are you celebrating? We are saying life is a celebration, isn't it? Birds are always celebrating, flowers are always celebrating. How are you celebrating today?
I am celebrating moment by moment by living my life with full of love.
Alvia sir, may I?
Yeah, let him finish, na? Then you can.
Yeah, Gautam ji, go ahead.
Yeah.
Go ahead.
In morning, I celebrate with my camera.
Wow.
Yeah, I got in my just opposite to my balcony, I have a good greenery. And today morning, I found that it's a good colorful birds. They are passing there, they are coming, and I got celebration with my camera.
Wow. Celebration of beauty of nature. Congratulations. God must have been a great painter and visualizer, right? If you look at nature, I tell you, every day you will find cause for celebration, don't you think?
Every moment.
Every moment.
Yeah. So what I was telling sir that especially these moment, the moment what we spend here with you is something really a start of the day in the celebration mode. So, so I would like to, yeah. So दो लाइनें मैं भी कहने की इजाजत चाहूंगा। कुलदीप साहब, अर्ज क्या है, तवज्जो चाहूंगा कि आओ दो चार घड़ी बैठकर दुख सुख बांटें। आओ दो चार घड़ी बैठकर दुख सुख बांटें। ना जाने इस भीड़ में फिर कौन कहाँ रह जाए। जाने इस भीड़ में फिर कौन कहाँ रह जाए, आओ दो चार घड़ी बैठकर दुख सुख बांटें।
Wow.
तो
Thank
जिंदगी
you so much.
या
मुझे भी एक गाना याद आ रहा है, पल दो पल का साथ हमारा, पल दो पल के यार आने हैं, याद है?
Burning train.
Yeah, exactly. You are another movie buff like me, huh? Wow. All right. So very warm welcome to some people who may have joined us for the first time today, and a very warm welcome to the people who join us every day. And big congratulations to Snehal. And I don't know, we seem to have a new person called Vanar Sena. I can only think of one person who must be having a new name every day. So welcome to you, Suchitra. Welcome, Sirish, and everyone. And for all of us, I think it's good to remind ourselves, why are we doing what we are doing? So why are we here every morning? So one of these days, Oriran, you better get ready. I'm going to ask you to give a speech over here, huh? And tell everybody why are we doing this every day. So I'll tell you why we are doing this every day. Our purpose, and I'm using a mantra that I got from Access Consciousness, which I have been studying for now more than a year and a half. And this mantra is something which really turned me on, and it says, all of life comes to me with ease, joy, and glory. And my purpose and your purpose to be here every morning is to defeat the negativity that surrounds us. Everywhere negative, everywhere negative. You know what? If you keep getting bombarded by all this negativity, then you can become negative. You can lose your enthusiasm. You can lose your passion. Your mind might start saying things like, what's the use? Ki faida hai? You know? So a person who can be full of energy, josh, and purpose, he can become like many other people have become, you know, resign. Ye to hamari kismat hai. You ask them, how are you? Chal rahi hai, cut rahi hai. Are you interested with that? Chal rahi hai, cut rahi hai. Hey, look, we should be able to say, wow, what a great adventure my life is. I'm having a ball. I'm enjoying myself. अरे यार तुम कैसे एंजॉय कर रहे हो? रोज ऑफिस जाते हो? हम ऑफिस भी एंजॉय करते हैं. I enjoy spreading smiles to my staff. I enjoy motivating my people. They can be motivated without marrying a moti also. They can be motivated at all times. So it's a matter of choice, don't you think? So the people who come here every morning, congratulations on making a choice to be happy, to be positive. Making a choice not to be resigned to the forces of life. हम लोग वो हैं जिन्होंने जिंदगी की मार से हार नहीं खाई अभी तक और हारेंगे भी नहीं. We got the power. Whose power? God's power. Because He created us as wonderful, magnificent, extraordinary human beings who deserve to be loved and respected for who we are. We don't have to earn it. We deserve it. We deserve love. We deserve respect because we are wonderful, magnificent, and extraordinary. And I think we have no right to treat us as ordinary. So what's the difference between ordinary and extraordinary? Ordinary thinks like everybody else. सारी दुनिया हाय हाय करती है तो हम भी हाय हाय करते हैं. That is ordinary. सब लोग बोलते हैं कुछ नहीं होने वाला है हमारे देश का, हम भी वही बोलते हैं. Right? तो जो भेड़ चाल में चलते हैं, they are ordinary. और जो भेड़ चाल में नहीं चलते हैं, अपने जीवन का निर्माण करते हैं, they are extraordinary. So which one do you want to be? You can be like everybody else, or you can be a person who says, I create my life. And I have the power to enroll people into this kind of thinking. You see, you can't do much alone. अकेला कितना कर लोगे यार? If you want to do something, if you want to create something, then you should have the capability to enroll the people in your life so that they support you to do what you want to do. And they can become a part of it. And by the way, today evening session of Good to Great, that is the topic. That using communication to create your life. And how do you, the first step is in enrolling the people into your life, into your vision and eliciting their support. पहला कदम हमेशा होता है कि जो लोग आपको उपलब्ध हैं, आप उनको एनरोल करो अपनी विजन में और उनको साथ लेके चलना सीखो. क्योंकि धमकियों से, लालच से थोड़ी देर तक चलेंगे आपके साथ. They will walk with you for some time with your manipulation and fear or whatever, however you're creating. But if they are a part of your vision, like Gandhiji was able to take the whole country along. Just an ordinary guy, just you and me. What was extraordinary was he knew I'm an extraordinary person and he had the guts to take people along. He did not allow the circumstances to overpower him or the entire nation of India. Was it easy? Now, does it mean it will be difficult for you also? Not necessary. Like I say many times, we are the writer of our own script in life. Script, समझते हैं? Like if you are making a movie, you write a script and then the actors follow the script and the director follows the script. And here we are not only the script writer, the director, the actor, and everything. What a wonderful opportunity. What is missing? You and I don't believe. हमें लगता नहीं है कि ऐसा हो सकता है. Our biggest enemies are is the disbelief that we have. ना? मेरे जैसे नाचीज क्या कर सकते लाइफ. I've got this much. That's all right. Why should I disturb that? Choice is yours. Okay, I'm nobody to tell you how you should live your life here. So here we are on this nice, wonderful day. I don't know what your day is like. दिल्ली में गर्मी है मैंने सुना है. यहाँ पे मौसम बहुत अच्छा है.
गर्मी है सर, गर्मी है.
All right, let's hear from some of you wonderful people before we go on to more of the day. मैंने कहा थोड़ी फूंगी लगा दूं सुबह सुबह so that you start thinking. So I've done my part for now. There'll be more to follow. And today we are missing our good friend Vetrivel. He's become a dry well because he's not there. Welcome, Kasa. Welcome, Jyoti. I think you're coming for the second time. And a very warm welcome to you. Would you like to say something today so that we know that you are there and make your presence felt? Become a part of the conversation.
Good morning, sir.
All right. And also welcome to you, Mr. Vivek Kumar. Thank you very much for joining us. You can also unmute your video and audio and say something to us. कुछ भी कह सकते हैं आप. Jyoti ji, you're not wanting to say anything? All right. So whenever you feel like you can.
Good morning.
Good morning. Go ahead. Arey, what happened, Jyoti? You said good morning and you disappeared.
This is my first session, so I'm just here to listen.
See, first of all, be very clear. This is not a session. This is a conversation. So when conversation happens,
Awesome.
Some people talk, some people keep quiet. So you choose whatever you want.
I think today I will choose to keep quiet.
Yeah, welcome, welcome. Good, nice to hear the sound of your voice. And in times to come, you may have a lot to contribute, who knows? And we are not looking for anything special here, I mean, you can share your insights, you can share about your experience, you can share about what's going on with you, you can ask questions. participate in whichever way you want. Thank you very much for being with us.
Thank you.
And hope to see you every day. विवेक जी कुछ अर्ज करना चाहेंगे आप? चलो, maybe later on. Imtiaz bhai, welcome. Good morning to you. Shakti, good morning. Yes, certainly, sir. After that, Shakti can say.
सर कुछ खटक रहा है, अंदर से बोल दूं क्या?
बोलो ना, बोलो, जल्दी बोलो.
सर बड़ी प्रॉब्लम मुझे ये लगता है कि जब हम खुश होते हैं, कुछ लोग देख के हमसे जलते हैं.
अब हमको कैसे पता वो जल रहे हैं कि नहीं जल रहे?
हाँ, क्योंकि उसका रिएक्शन आता है ना, उसका रिएक्शन आता है दूसरी तीसरी लोगों से. यार ऐसे क्या कर दिया तुमने, जो वो इतना बोल रहा था, बड़ा खुश था, आज क्या हो गया, उसको लटरी लग गई क्या? यार लाइफ मेरी है, मैं खुश रहूं ना रहूं, तुम्हें क्या फर्क पड़ता है?
तो सर find it unusual कि ये खुश क्यों है?
मरा सा चेहरा देखा हुए जाना चाहिए. सर प्लीज सर कर दो, सर छुट्टी चाहिए, सर कर दो प्लीज, सर छुट्टी चाहिए कर दो. ऐसे नहीं होना चाहिए. जैसे क्लाइंट के पास जाते हैं, हमारे तो आपको पता है हम रेलवे वाले हैं, रेलवे के काम करते हैं, सरकारी लोग होते हैं, मतलब प्लीज डोंट माइंड इफ एनी सरकारी लोग so, हाँ, तो हमें सर एक अंदर से गाली आता है. क्या है? अरे तू यार सरकारी जैसे बात मत करा कर. मतलब ऐसा मतलब दिल की खड़ास है, इसलिए मैं बोल रहा हूँ, निकाल देता हूँ. तो जब हम जाते हैं ना कहीं, सर जैसे कोई हायर पोजीशन वाले होते हैं, रेलवे में IRS होते हैं, इंडियन रेलवे सर्विस में IAS होते हैं, तो वो तो नीचे वाले को आदमी नहीं समझते हैं, भले कि वो गधे हैं, वो हम पता है गधे हैं, और वो कुछ करते भी नहीं है, करने देते भी नहीं है. अगर आप खुश हो जाओ, सर इट वाज फैंटास्टिक. क्या फैंटास्टिक? व्हाट इज द नॉनसेंस यू आर टेलिंग? ये कोई बात हुआ? सर 3 दिन बैठ कर डिजाइन करके लाया हूं सर. ये ऑप्टिमिस्टिक है, एकदम रियलिस्टिक हो, ऑप्टिमिस्टिक हो. साइड में मैंने गया, खुद चेक करा. गधे हो तुम, तुम्हें ये भी नहीं आता? सर उसको खुद को नहीं पता कि क्या बोल रहे हो. सर इसको कैसे हैंडल
करना जरूरी है ना? कैसे पता लगेगा आपको कि वो बॉस है?
हाँ, बस यही एक ही चीज है उनमें, वो बॉसिज्म दिखता है, और तो कुछ होता नहीं. और लास्ट में फाइनली वो आके वहीं झुक जाते हैं. मेरे साथ 6 महीना तक एक स्ट्रगल चली सर. 6 महीना तक आप सोच सकते हैं. मतलब माय लाइफ बिकम टू हेल. लेकिन एट द एंड व्हाट आई डिजाइन द फास्ट, I concluded that it is okay.
After 6 months.
After 6 months, and it is. आप तो मेरे ऑर्गेनाइजेशन को जानते हो, मेरे ऑर्गेनाइजेशन नीचे से ऊपर तक हिल गया. तो भाई कर क्या रहा है तू? तो इसको कैसे चले सर?
That's why we know कि गवर्नमेंट के प्रोजेक्ट्स कितने जल्दी एग्जीक्यूट हो जाते हैं, है ना? चुटकी में. जो काम को 2 महीना लगना चाहिए, 2 साल लग जाता है. उनका एक डिपार्टमेंट दूसरे डिपार्टमेंट से कोऑपरेट नहीं करता उन्हीं के काम करने के लिए.
करेक्ट.
I even had an experience with the railways once, you know. I had gone to give them a refund देने गया था मेरे को. इतना ड्रामा किया उन्होंने रिफंड लेने के लिए. मैंने कहा भैया मैं तुमको पैसे लौटाने आया हूँ, मांगने नहीं आया हूँ. अब इसके लिए भी तुमको कुछ पार्टी वार्टी चाहिए क्या तुमको? But life, you know, that's what I'm saying. Life is always trying to put barriers in front of us. Are we going to allow it? So we keep smiling. No? We say, wow. If somebody asks us, how's the Josh? We'll say, yeah.
थक जाते हैं सर, थक जाते हैं. That is my क्या बोलते हैं, मेरे इंटरनल. ये कभी कभी ऐसा लगता था दुनिया छोड़ के चले जाऊं, और बगल में हरिद्वार है ही, आपको पता है.
Thank you very much for sharing.
Thank you, sir.
So that is also another thing we can celebrate, no? हमारे स्क्रिप्ट में ये भी है, इसकी भी एक फिल्म बन सकती है. So I keep telling people कि your life is better than any film यार. अब तुमको फिल्म देखने की जरूरत क्या है? अपनी जिंदगी को ही देख लो, उससे बढ़िया फिल्म नहीं मिलेगी तुमको. Okay, great. Thank you. Now somebody else was also wanting to say, so please go ahead before we forget you. I think Shakti was going to speak. Anybody, whoever.
Yeah, Girish here.
Yes.
Hello. Yeah, Girish
Yeah.
here. हाँ भाई एक कहानी मुझे याद आई कि दो छोटे बच्चे खेलते खेलते गांव के बाहर चले जाते हैं
Okay.
और खेलते वहाँ एक बड़ा कुआं उन्हें दिखता है तो आउट ऑफ फेयर दे ट्राई टू कीप इन देखते नीचे
Okay.
क्या देखते देखते एक बच्चा गिर जाता है छोटे बच्चे होते हैं एक बच्चा गिर जाता है तो दूसरा बच्चा चिल्लाने लगता है कि आओ आओ बचाओ बचाओ कोई नहीं है कोई नहीं है कोई नहीं है नो बडी होता है तो एक गाँव के बाहर होता है तो बच्चा क्या करे तो वहाँ उसे एक रस्सी दिखाई देती है जो लटकी हुई रहती है तो रस्सी छोड़ देता है रस्सी छोड़ देता है रस्सी छोड़ देता है बोलता है उसे पकड़ उसे पकड़ उसे पकड़ तो छोटा बच्चा पकड़ लेता है और एक खींचता है खींचता है खींचता है इसकी मतलब ताकत कितनी छोटी होती है फिर भी खींचता रहता है ना खींचता रहता है कुछ फंसता है लेकिन खींचता रहता है आखिरकार बच्चा बाहर निकल आता है दोनों घर में जाते हैं बोलते हैं ऐसा ऐसा हो गया है तो नोबडी प्रिफर टू बिलीव देम ऐसा हो ही नहीं सकता ऐसा हो ही नहीं सकता बच्चा सीख ही नहीं सकता इसकी कोई ताकत है ही नहीं है कुछ भी नहीं है कुछ भी नहीं है बोले कुछ तुम मजाक कर रहे हो तुम झूठ बोल रहे हो तो बच्चे को डांटते तो आदमी होता है बुरा बोला देखो भाई तो बच्चा बोल रहा है सही बोल रहा है क्यों क्योंकि वहाँ तुम ये कर नहीं सकते ऐसा बोलने वाला कुछ नहीं था he tried his level best and he could do it.
Yeah, because there was nobody there to tell him you can't do it. Wow, fantastic. Now I wonder, सबको समझ में आया? I mean, lot of people who don't know Hindi for their benefit, who is going to tell this in English? I can, but I choose you to do it. आप ही बता दो संदीप जी or anybody else. Yeah, go ahead.
Girish ji can convert.
Anybody? Yeah.
So you have been highlighted, so you have to say it.
So two little children, they were wandering and they were just playing somewhere. While playing, they just went out of the village and they lost in the forest surface. But they could see one well over there. And as a curiosity, they were sitting inside. While sitting, one of them fell down. And then the little boy who was on the ground over there, he started crying, save him, save him, save him. You know, he has fallen down, but nobody was there to listen to them. Right? Then what did he do? He could see that rope over there. He immediately put the rope inside and asked him to tie the rope. He was not able to catch the rope. The other boy wasn't able to catch it. But anyhow, he could catch it. And the other boy, with his all strength, tried to pull him up. He was not able to do that. Even then, he went on trying. Ultimately, he could brought him up. They both were safe. They went to their house and told the story. But nobody was prepared to believe them. This can't happen. This is a small guy. How can he save him? How can he pull it up? You know. So they were not able to listen to him. And then one old fellow said that, "Arey Baba, because there was nobody to tell them that you can't do this, he could do it." में ऐसा कुछ नहीं डाला था कि कर नहीं सकते हो. There was no other alternative but to pull him with his all strength. He pulled him out with all his strength and he could do that. So ये आप नहीं कर सकते हो ऐसा बोलना ही नहीं है. So you don't have to say that you can't do it. You can say that you can do it. In his mind, the bachcha says that yes, I can do it, and he did it. That was the power of self-belief. Yeah.
So why did he do it? Because there was no one there to tell him you can't do it. So I'll tell you something. In our own mind, you know, we are harboring someone who keeps telling us sometimes, you can't do it, you can't do it, you can't do it, ye nahi hoga, wo nahi hoga. So instead of saying that, what should we say? Positive people, what will we say? Who says I can't? I can do it. I will find a way to do it. There are possibilities always to do it. I will find those possibilities and do it. तो ये जो आवाज होती है ना अंदर जो बोलती है ये नहीं हो सकता, ये नहीं हो सकता, ये नहीं हो सकता है, we can replace it with another recording and that recording says क्यों नहीं हो सकता, जरूर हो सकता है, मैं रास्ते ढूंढ लूंगा, मैं संभावनाएं ढूंढ लूंगा, ये तो जरूर हो सकता है और मैं करके छोड़ूंगा. Isn't that possible? I mean, it's the same voice. Whose voice is it anyway? It's your voice. You decide what to do with it. Thank you, sir. Such a beautiful and inspiring story.
Thank you.
Okay, who else?
Sir, a quick rejoinder to Sirishji, what Sirishji has said.
Yes.
कि ये कैंचियां हमें उड़ने से क्या खाक रोकेंगी, ये कैंचियां क्या उड़ने से हमें खाक रोकेंगी, क्योंकि हम पंखों से नहीं हौसलों से उड़ा करते हैं.
Wow, wow, that's a kite saying. Right? These scissors, how can they stop us? You know?
I said
So
another
what is
story.
it? Beautiful.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you, sir. Okay, we're getting some very interesting inputs today. Congratulations, everybody. All right, time to give you some inputs. Very simple inputs like we do every day. But before I give you any inputs, I want you to do a small exercise so that you remember who you are. All right, so everybody close your eyes and take a long, deep breath. Take another long, deep breath and let go and relax. Take another long, deep breath. Let go and relax. Now, as you sit there, allow yourself to experience yourself inside your body. Allow yourself to experience yourself filling up your entire body. You know, like the air in a balloon fills up the entire balloon. You are filling up your entire body, and get an experience of you filling up your entire body. You have chosen to confine yourself in this little body. Just experience yourself in the body. Now allow yourself to expand yourself outside your body in all directions. Just let go of your logic, let go of your mind, let go of your disbelief, and allow yourself to expand yourself in all directions. And just like a cloud expand, you're just expanding and expanding and expanding and expanding. And as you keep expanding, you will experience that there are no limits. Because the who that you are, the infinite you, is that you which you never allow yourself to experience. So today, allow yourself to experience. Close your eyes, Suresh. Do the exercise. Allow yourself to experience yourself, expanding yourself, and going beyond all boundaries of matter, space, and time. You have expanded to fill up the entire universe. And that's who you are. And that is who has made a choice to come and live in this little body. But you're certainly not this little body. You have infinite choices. You have infinite possibilities. All you have to do is remember who you are. Now slowly start allowing yourself to come back. Don't be in a hurry. Come back slowly. And come back. Be in this little body, experiencing the magnificence of this beautiful vehicle in which you have chosen to confine yourself. For the journey of this life, for the physical journey of this life, you needed a vehicle, and this is the vehicle you got. So be grateful to it. And when you have expressed your gratitude to it, remember who you are and open your eyes. So now that you have opened your eye, you want to say something to everybody? Normally, after this exercise, people feel very, 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 very speechless. So it's all right if you don't feel like speaking. And if it's all right if you wish to speak also. So, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, just to remind you once again, the reason we get together here every morning to have a life of ease, joy, and glory, to have a life where we can generate life, we can create life, rather than be a victim of our circumstances, generate our life, make positivity a part of our life, and spread this positivity all around so that the world is a better place and I can enjoy living in it. And that's why we are here every morning. And I'm grateful that you choose to join us and choose to spread this positivity all around. So today, let's look at dealing with whatever we are facing in our life. So do you have a choice about what life is going to throw at you? Kuldeep ji shared a very beautiful share with us about life. This is a good time, Kuldeep ji, if you would like to repeat that one. जो शुरू में आपने बताया था.
कौन सा वाला?
शुरू में जो लाइफ के बारे में कि आप बदलती रहते हो.
हाँ, लाइफ के बारे में न तेरी अदा समझ में आती है न आदत ए जिंदगी, शायद जिंदगी को कह रहा है. न तेरी अदा समझ में आती है न आदत है जिंदगी, तू हर रोज नई सी, मैं हर रोज वही उलझा सा.
Yeah, now can you translate it for them also?
Yes, yes. Shair is saying to life that I do not understand either your style or your habit. You are every day fresh. And
Every day changing.
And I am every day struggling and confused.
And staying the same.
And saying the same.
So that sets the tone for what I want to say now.
इसका जवाब
So,
भी
yes, sir.
इसका जवाब भी है.
अच्छा.
इजाजत हो तो.
बोलो बोलो.
शायर जो कह रहा है उसके जवाब में कुछ चीजें जो मुझे याद आ रही हैं कि जैसा आपने बताया, what you mentioned that the trust in yourself and जो यकीन की राह पे चल पड़ा, the person who has self confidence and self belief, जो यकीन की राह पे चल पड़ा, उन्हें मंजिलों ने पनाह दी. So the person who is having conviction, belief, living the life with that, he will get the destination, he will get the goals. जिन्हें वसवसों ने डरा दिया, the person who got caught with the self defeatist approach, वो कदम कदम पर भाग गया. With every step he is lost. तो जिंदगी रोज नहीं होती है, हम वही होते हैं, लेकिन हमारे अंदर यकीन हो, if we believe on self and if we believe that there are possibilities and if we believe there are opportunities, then we find the ways. If not, our internal world, this here, as always sir says that inside this one, always get distracted and keeps on letting us know that you can't do. But if I have the conviction, I have the belief, I'll reach to the destination in the journey of the life. That's what is coming to my mind.
Great. Thank you so much for sharing it. So let me come back to what I wanted to say. See, life is never the same. It keeps changing moment by moment. And we try to deal with it with our formulas. Sometimes they work, sometimes they don't work. All right? But there is a way we deal with them. Okay? And that's what we need to maybe alter so that we can allow our self-belief to actualize itself. Now, time and again, in physical, practical workshops, we have been able to demonstrate how skin deep is our belief in ourselves. Yaqeen hota hai. To maintain that belief in yourself is another matter. So what happens in life when certain things happen, what we call as problems or negative things, our belief in ourselves gets shaken up. So unless that belief is very strong conviction, and that's one of the things we do every time we come here. So when I come and tell you that every experience is an opportunity to become a better version of yourself, that is reasserting that conviction. That this experience is not going to diminish me. ये जो अनुभव है ये मुझे छोटा नहीं बनाने वाला है. ये जो अनुभव है मुझे नकारात्मक नहीं बनाने वाला है. ये जो experience है मुझे और शक्तिशाली बनाने वाला है. So that way we will keep on reinforcing our belief in ourselves and our objectives and our convictions. So we need to keep managing this bhoot, this devil called the mind. Otherwise, it gets very easily influenced by the outside. And then eventually what happens? We lose faith in ourselves. So that is why I thought today we will talk about dealing with what we are facing in life. So can you predict what you're going to face? No. But I'm saying whatever you may face, good or bad, right or wrong, whatever life throws at you, the first thing which makes you powerful is you stop judging it. Stop labeling it. Treat it as another experience which you have to experience. And what is the best use you can make of that experience that is happening to you at that time? Are you going to exercise choice at that time? Or are you going to react? So as you know that we mostly react. So we are in a state of reaction. Pratikriya ki halat mein rehte hain. And this is always based on a judgment of right or wrong. And it happens so instantly, आप realize भी नहीं करते हो कि आपकी प्रतिक्रिया आ गई और उसके पीछे क्या होता है? Right and wrong. ये गलत कर रहा है, ऐसा नहीं होना चाहिए, whatever it is that's going on, right? So whatever may happen to you, most people, most of the time, would be in a state of reaction. Okay. Now, what does reaction do? It limits you. It kills possibility. Because usually reaction leads to resistance. Either resistance from the other person or your own resistance to whatever happened. तो जब प्रतिक्रिया होती है, immediately एक प्रतिरोध भी आ जाता है. और जितना ज़्यादा प्रतिरोध आएगा, the more resistance comes, less you will see possibilities in that situation. What does it mean? When you are reacting to a situation, when you are resisting a situation, can you see anything in it for you? उस परिस्थिति में आपको कुछ संभावना नजर आएगी? Will you see what is the benefit in it for you? Will you see how you could use it? So if something is being thrown at you, you can catch it and throw it back. That's also possible for you. Or you can allow it to hit you. Or you can catch it and keep it down and say, I'm not going to throw it back. So when you react, you will not take an action which you're thinking and taking, वो automatically हो जाता है. But instead of reaction, if you say, I'm going to be in action, what difference will it make? So remember one thing, reaction is a limitation. Action allows possibilities. So choose action. So if you have to choose action instead of reaction, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, what will you have to do? How will you have to train yourself so that instead of automatically reacting, आपने देखा है प्रतिक्रिया automatically आती है. Reaction is near instantaneous. People who live in a state of awareness, they will be able to notice the sequence, oh, मैंने इसको judge किया, इसीलिए मेरा reaction ऐसा आ गया. I judged it in this way, that is why my reaction came in this way. For most people who live at a lower level of awareness, they don't even realize what is happening. They just go react like that. And then, obviously, when you react, what are you going to get back? An equal, an opposite reaction. And then you will get stuck. Two people reacting to each other. And this may go on for few minutes, few hours, few days, few weeks, few months, few years. And then ultimately, like Sahu Sahib said, kabhi man karta hai ki Hardwar jaake apne जीवन त्याग दो. That is reaction. Reaction followed by resistance. मन कहता है यार ये नहीं होना चाहिए, क्यों हो रहा है? Hi. Remember, complaining that the world will not devote itself to making you happy. This is what we do most of the time, na? Sorry for the general statement. I'm sure there are a lot of very enlightened people here who don't do that. But even the enlightened ones, they do it from time to time. So the only difference between enlightened one and a non-enlightened one is enlightened one pakad leta hai jaldi se. Kehta, here I go again. Here I've started again complaining. Stop blaming, start living, guys. So do you want some revision of what I just told you? Maybe I should give you a revision of what I just told you. Nice bird sounds. So, dealing with whatever you're facing, we should deal with it in the right way, or should we deal with it in a way that makes it worse? Like whatever is going on, whether it's going on inside you, whether it's your own feeling or thought or your emotion, should you deal with it the right way, or should you make it worse? Is that a good question to ask yourself?
Yeah, should be a right way, sir.
Correct. But when you're reacting, at that moment, is it possible to do the right way?
Sir,
वो automatic reaction हो जाता है. By the time you realize it, वो तो हो गया. So there are two things. One is, instead of reaction, have I trained myself to respond appropriately so that I never do the wrong action? That's number one option. Number two option is, मेरे से reaction हो गया. So how can I recover it very fast before it becomes worse? These are the two things you want to think about. Don't expect me to give you the solutions right here and right now, because you're smart enough to figure it out. How do I train myself so that I don't react so much, which I do? And we are giving you tools here in this program from time to time, and you will get them also. Like this exercise we did when we allowed ourselves to experience our expansive self. If you do it many times, you'll find that you're not reacting so much, because your mind is going to tell you, okay, hello, an infinite being is going to react like this. तुम विशाल हो, परमात्मा के रूप हो, क्या तुम तुच्छ प्राणी जैसे रिएक्ट करोगे? You'll start realizing it. So this is one way to control yourself so that you are not as reactive as you are. Okay, some amount of reaction is necessary and will remain also, but should it be that you are reacting most of the time? So that's one thing, so that you are not reacting. If you're not reacting, you will choose the right action. Remember, choose the right action. Because the right action, which was right for yesterday's situation, may not be the same right action for today's situation. The right action, which was okay for certain people at a certain time, may not be the right action now for these people whom I am dealing with now. They are not the same people. But अगर एक हमारा जो लोगों को देखने का, if the criteria for measuring people is always the same. Okay, all men are like this, all women are like this, all salesmen are like this, all politicians are like this, all children are like this, all teenagers are like this. Have you noticed all fixed opinions about people? So we're looking at everything in a frame. And then we have a formula to deal with different types of people. They are not the same here. And even the person who's dealing with them, that is you are not the same either. Very sad. We got fixed perceptions about other. एक हमने perception बना लिया कि सुरेश ऐसा है, तो हमेशा सुरेश वैसा ही दिखाई देगा लोगों को. But you know what the sad part is? हमने अपने बारे में भी जो perception बना लिया, we made a perception about ourselves. वो भी same रहेगा. But tell me something. Are you a thing? What is the thing? This bottle is a thing. This mobile phone is a thing. This chair is a thing. This floor is a thing. Are you a thing? But the sad thing is, we treat ourselves like a thing.
Material.
मैं तो ऐसा ही हूँ. वो तो वैसा ही है. वो तो भूत है. और मैं साला साधु भूत साधी को सारी जिंदगी मारते रहेगा. Come on, man. Are you getting something here? How can you choose action if you're so fixed in your perceptions about people and yourself? So these are a lot of things to think about. Or rather, I'm saying, just be aware. Am I treating myself as a thing? क्या मैं एक वस्तु हूँ? क्या मैं टेबल हूँ? क्या मैं पेन हूँ? I am a being who changes moment by moment by moment. I have a capacity to change. I can be who I choose to be. I don't have to be who I have made myself be. अपने मन में मैंने आपको एक fixed entity बना दिया है. And we actually become a prisoner of our own perceptions. How sad is that? But do you have a choice? You do. Do you exercise that choice? That's up to you. You get this question? Do you have a choice? Yes, you do. Do you exercise this choice? जैसे आप वोट देने जाते हो ना, do you exercise your choice? No. वो जो आपके दिमाग में प्रोग्रामिंग करी जाती है ना, ओ ई ओ ई ओ ई ओ ई ओ ई, वही वोट डालोगे फिर आप.
हाँ ना, नहीं डालेंगे सर.
अरे कुछ भी डालो यार, आपकी चॉइस है ना. What are you getting? We have the power of choice. We have the power to choose action over reaction and resistance. Are we going to exercise that choice? If we work on ourselves, we can remove, there's a very bright glass, pure, beautiful, covered with dust. That's what we become. So if we just clean it up, or you know what, I'm so thankful to you that you come here every morning, because every time we are together, it is an opportunity to clean up this. क्योंकि बार बार कचरा तो accumulate हो जाता है ना. That is why we have to go to the bathroom every morning, क्योंकि कचरा इकट्ठा हो जाता है. So this is for this wala kachara. Of course, you can do it on your own also, but there is a value of being in the satsang of people. When you hear people sharing their experiences, one of the things you do realize is that I'm not the only one suffering in this life here. कभी कभी लगता है ना, वही मी, भगवान ने मुझे ही ऐसी किस्मत दी है. ऐसा कुछ नहीं है. We are all having our joys and celebrations. That's the beauty of being together, no? Enough spoken by me. So now time to close the session. So if anybody wants to say something, this is the time to say. If anybody wants to ask anything,
Can I say
this is the
something?
time to ask. स्नेहल जी ने हाथ खड़ा किया हुआ है, उसके बाद आप बोल दीजिए.
So this goes with one of the principles in
Wait. Snehal ji, first of all, congratulations.
Oh, thank you.
So from one writer to another, congratulations.
Thank you so much, sir.
I hope there is a Kindle version of your book available.
Yes, there is. Yes, there is. It is there.
Great. I'm fond of detective novels.
Okay, great. I hope you like it. Yeah, it's
Wow.
available. It's on Kindle. It's a paperback and Amazon also.
Yeah,
Anyway,
I'll
sir,
get it.
I was
Yes,
just
sir.
what you said about the mirror. It's one of the principles of the faith I follow. Because it says
Yeah.
every single day, polish the mirror of your life. You polish the mirror of your life. You sort of, and that's a period for self-reflection. You think about, all right, what's going on? Where do I go from here? How did I react, to whatever situations? Another thing is that if we, on a daily basis, we take responsibility for our thought, our word, and our action. You have to always say, of course, the reaction is instinctive. But if you sort of, just take a second to hold back and say, all right, is this right?
Exactly. Then you can choose action.
Yes, then you can choose the action you want to do that way.
Which is appropriate in that situation.
Absolutely. Yeah, that's right. That's right, sir. Because there is one thing we have what we call a life state of animality, means that you react instinctively without thinking.
That's exactly what I'm talking about.
Yeah. So what happens then is that if a situation arises and you're about to react, you tell yourself, am I thinking about it or am I just reacting? Just going into it head first. So it helps, a little bit of self-reflection, right? At every minute, it helps. It's not possible all the time, but you can work at it. Yes. Yeah.
It is possible to be in a state of awareness, higher awareness.
Yes.
When you do your 200 daimokus,
yes,
you're getting into a state of higher awareness, aren't you?
Yes, absolutely.
And the more you do it, the more in awareness you live. So that's one of the practices, no?
Yes, it is, sir. It is
basically
definitely.
Raising awareness, knowing what you're doing.
You're raising your awareness to a level where your life condition becomes one which is governed by courage, wisdom, and compassion.
Exactly.
And the whole aim of the practice is that you should try more and more to be in that life condition, because we go from minute to every type of life condition, including animality, anger,
Absolutely.
hunger, hell, whatever. So you have
That's
to be
one
very
of the
careful.
advantages of being with people who are working to be in that life state, no? All together every
Absolutely.
morning.
Yes, sir.
Thank you
Yes,
very
sir.
much for being with us and sharing
Thank
your
you, sir.
energy with us.
Thank you, sir.
We are so blessed to be graced by your presence and the presence of all these wonderful 30 people who are there with us. Thank you so much. Okay, who's next?
Sir.
Somebody was going to speak.
Yeah, Suresh here.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, I've met two great people in my life. to say the name, one is Sukhdeepak Malawai and other one is Ranjan Chopra. They taught me the life, to face the situations, whatever, to act or react, whatever. Today, though I am in the, I am not in the same line where I started my career, and I have learned how to deal with the things. And we should know the technique of how to hold. I mean, if you say how to hold a cat or how to hold a duck, you have to hold it with a neck.
That's a good one.
And I am very clear that today whatever I have, I am so much confident. Every penny is looted today. I am happy because tomorrow again I will get it. I will lead my life.
Absolutely. I have the power to create my life. That is what you're saying.
Yeah.
Whatever may happen. सारे लूट के ले जाएंगे ना, फिर भी मैं create कर लूँगा.
Yeah.
That's the spirit. And that's what everybody has here. They may not realize it. जिन्होंने हमारे जैसे ज़्यादा मार खाई होते हैं ना लाइफ में, उनको पता होता है ये. कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है. सब जला के राख कर दो, हम फिर खड़े हो जाएंगे. Thank you for sharing that. All right, who else? Okay, if nobody is speaking, then I might as well.
Sir, good morning to everybody.
Yes. Good morning. What is the new name you have today for yourself?
It's Vah Narasena.
Wow, Narasena.
Because today is Tuesday, Hanuman's Day. So it's a that. Yeah.
Today the Narasena Day. Namaskaram to your mommy.
So regarding, just had a few random musings to share, sir, based on my being here today. First of all, the exercise about inhabiting the body and growing out of the body. What I realized is that I am not returning to my body. It is, I am returning to the idea of my body, to the limited idea of my body. The body in itself is not limited. It is able to adapt, grow, and absorb the stresses and strains of life. So it is, I am returning to a stale idea of the body, like a big foot returning to a very small shoe. So
perceived body.
Yeah, so that is the problem. So it is not with the body, but with the idea of the body that I have, the culture-induced idea. And the second one is regarding reactivity and action. So I realize that when I'm in a reactive mode, it is literally a chemical reaction that that particular thought or belief has made in the body. But that is not the entirety of who I am. So there is a deeper layer that is able to observe this reactivity and to move to from the state of reactivity. Sometimes it takes very long because the thought in itself is very potent.
Did it take long yesterday? After the process I did with you?
Yeah.
How long did it take to get out of it?
Yeah, it was a timeless, I mean, it was a very quick shift, like
20 minutes.
Yeah.
So everybody's curious, what did he do? I will tell you if you ask, but not now. Okay, what else?
So what I wanted to say is, like, I envisage myself as a sort of a blue whale. The reactive layers of the mind are the top layers of the ocean, and that's not where I belong. So that is where the oil spill and all that is there. But I belong to the depths. So the more I learn to live from the depth of who I am, that is moving towards my purpose in life, or what I'm here for. Not the more I'm caught in the upper layers, which are beyond my control. And I'm just losing my time there in firefighting there.
I got it. And guys, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, this is the time to get the autograph of this lady. After 2 or 3 years, he won't have time for anybody. He's got the makings of a Booker Prize winning novelist. I mean, what writing she does, man. Amazing. She writes prose like poetry. But I'm not at liberty to share it with you. But really excellent, superb. One day she's going to be one of the most famous writers of this country, I can tell you. Of this whole continent, I think. If she starts believing in herself, I think. All right, thank you very much for sharing that. On that note, ladies and gentlemen, I have no choice but to close the session now. So if you want to say something, you very quickly say it.
Yes, sir. I will have to say that. You
Yes,
said
please.
whether Suchitra, you said about whether she believes or not. Yes, whether she believes or not, like the way she talks, I deeply listen to her. Like what the new words she's going to say, how the prose, how she develops it, the speech. Amazing, Suchitra. It's really wonderful to listen to your the way you view your words. We know the words separately, but how do we weave it and then put it into the as a sentence?
And a lot of deep insights she shares.
Yes,
Okay?
yes. Particularly the layer on
Very
the top,
valuable.
layer on the top of the sea as the oils and other things, and the deep inside. It is very nice thought. Thanks.
Okay, so I'm seeing one new person today. Arunaji, most welcome to us and this wonderful group. Would you just unmute yourself, video and audio, and say a few words to us so that you are a part of this group?
She is not new. She is a regular. I think Salnu's mother.
Oh, okay. Okay. But still, she can say anything if she wants to.
Yeah, of course.
Okay, it doesn't look like anybody wants to say anything. Ashokji, would you like to say anything? All right, then, thank you very much. It was a wonderful session, and let's get together tomorrow once again for another wonderful session of the Empowering Morning Conversations. So join us, bring your friends and family. Let's spread positivity all around. God bless you and have a wonderful day. Bye-bye.
One last word. One last word I forgot to mention.
Wonderful and blissful day to everyone.
Bolo Suresh.
I mean, like, I will always compare you and Mr. Ranjan Chopra. Like, you are my Narayana Murthy, you are my Ratan Tata, whatever. You are so strong pillars in my life. Supported every situation, every hard situation.
Yeah, but you already shared that.
Yeah.
Just now, 10 minutes ago.
Yeah.
Thank you so much. Well, you are a good friend. All right. Nidhi, you are unmuted. Are you planning to say something before we say bye-bye?
Me? Yeah. Actually, I wanted to share one story.
Yes.
I remember a story of Eklavya.
Yeah, my son's name is Eklavya.
When he went to Dronacharya for getting that Vidya of Dhanur Vidya, Dronacharya instantly said no to him. And the Eklavya, he was very humble disciple. He said, okay, Guruji, no problem. Then he came back. He made a statue of Dronacharya and he had a self-study. He chose not to surrender to the situation, but to find new ways to learn the Dhanur Vidya. And he himself studied it. And every time he made a possibility, how can I shoot the arrow now? In this way, can I shoot it? In this way, can I shoot it? By doing this self-study and by the devotion to the Guru, he learned that Dhanur Vidya and he could become an expert into this. So this is how, if you don't get the snap reactions, but think over the situation and choose the positive way, you can become master of this. And you can definitely deal with the situation. That is what I wanted to say. So we should follow the path of Eklavya. Yeah. Thank you.
So my son's name is Eklavya, you know that? My chota beta jo hai.
Yeah, we don't need to follow that because we have a person here who doesn't say no to anything.
Hello. Itna zyada mat chadao bhai. I'm just a human being just like you.
Ramaji, just to add to that, when Sriji was explaining that event, I was just assuming Dronacharya said no to the Ekalva. Ekalva went to Zoom meeting and closed his camera. He learned everything.
Vegetable ji, ek baar wo lighter mode bol do na. We are missing.
We had forgotten to laugh today, so he made us laugh.
And now I'm using a different trick. No, if I say lighter moment, everybody is getting alert. Not to smile.
All right, great. Thank you so much.
Wonderful day to all of you.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, everyone. Have a nice day.